Hello from tajmotormedics. I've got a BMW 4 Series here on a 2015 plate. Basically that's what it looks like. It is a convertible, so you've got one of these and you want to change the HID bulb on this. Now this here is working and this one isn't. To locate it, it's on the inside here. So I've already taken the cover off. I'm going to exactly show you which covers they are. The bulb you need is a D1S bulb, which is a gas discharge bulb. They're not cheap, but you know, they're quite long lasting bulbs, and I'm going to show you how to replace it. Right, what I've done is I've put the cover back on. So all you need is a flat screwdriver. You slot the screwdriver in here and then push down on it. So just get the camera angle right. So it's a bit blurry out there. That's better. So what you do, you push down on this, you pull it backwards, then again same thing on the other side. Take the cover out, then the inside cover comes out. You twist that to your left, the whole thing comes out. Do not drop it whatever you do, and always remember the seals as well around here, so make sure you got the seals. You unplug it, that's it, job done. And then with the light bulb, you twist that to your left. Nope, it's not left, so I'm just gonna have a look, see what it is. Must have some sort of connector on there. Nope. Yeah, it is to the left. So you twist it to your left and then you pull the whole thing out. So basically this is it. Right, so that's the bulb we're replacing. Now I've got the bulb already here. It is a D1S bulb. You can find the link for this in the description. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also, there's a special thanks button as well. Don't forget to click on that, because you will be saving a lot of money rather than going to BMWs and stuff like that, where they will charge you a lot, where you can do it yourself, which will cost you quite less. So I've got the new one out. I'm going to slot the new one in. Like I said to you, it's going to go in an angle. Just be careful with the front, this little bit here, the brown bit. Just be careful, you don't want to damage that. You slot it through the hole. Once it goes through the hole, you locate it, how it's going to sit in. So this is how it is basically. And then you twist it to your right. I'm just going to get my right hand, one sec. That's it. We're going to then plug her in. Make sure it plugs in. It's really annoying, isn't it? There we go. We're just going to check, see if it's working now. Can you just switch the ignition on, please? Lights on. As you can see there, that there is working, as well as this as well. All I'm going to do is put everything back together now. Yeah, turn the car off, lights off. It's easy to turn the steering wheel to the left, so you've got more room, more space to work on. So all I'm going to do is put this cover back on and then put the other cover on as well, and that's it, job done. That's all you have to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.